Today I have brought the transition of social media, which you can easily use in your videos. After this preview video is over, I will show you how to make this transition. And you too can make this transition from any video editor app. You just have to go through some of my steps. And download link of these template in the description. So let's make these transitions now. I have opened KineMaster, then added the transition template. And after coming at 0.618 seconds, you have to add your username. Now I have to choose a good font. I am doing these things according to my own, and if you want, you can do it according to your own. After this, in the username, these animations have to be added, the one with the slide up. Now coming to 3.427 seconds, the username has to be cut from here. Then add out animation, slide down. Now I have to add another text. When all the work is done, it has to be exported. Then you can use it in any video. Just have to remove its green color, which is very easy. Hope you liked this social media transition of today. So we will meet in the next video.